Today we're gonna have a look how to make this zero clearance plate for the Dewalt 7491 table saw. And stick around to the end because this build was way more complicated than I thought. So first things first, we have to take this out. You can see here I've tried to make already a zero clearance tape out of just a tough tape, which is a bit, DIY, too much DIY. We're tracing out this insert on this piece of plywood. This is exactly the thickness of this insert. And then we cut it out and we flush trim it with our router. We trim off the edges around it, and then we go with the flush trim router, and for that we're gonna use our router table. Now we're using this masking tape trick where we put two masking tapes on each other and in the middle CA glue to fix them up together. So I'm using this gripper from Microchip, so it can't escape in any direction there. Okay, with the trick, we try now to take it off, which should be fairly okay. Yep, so you can see that here, that's the CA glue. So once I take it off, there's no residue whatsoever. Now we have this here. We have to clean it up a little bit with the sander so that it's nice and round. Okay, so we just cleaned it up a little bit with the sander so that all the rough edges are gone. And now we try to fit it again. So we take out the riving knife quickly, and then we try to install that thing. Let's see how chunky we can do that. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring that out, and I think I go in with the chisel and just manually get it out. So from here to here. Post-production Tom here, guys. So sorry, I forgot actually to record. Why am I doing this? So if you can see here on the left side in that insert hole, you can see like a cable running up, and this cable actually prevents the insert to go flush with the tabletop, and it also makes it wobble. So this is why we have to cut out a little bit of a gap here. So sorry about that, and let's go back to the video. Let's see if I can just get out half of it, half of the material, and we try to get that out. After the test fit, we have decided we have to make this a little longer because there's a little cable going around there, like a small one. It's not pretty. Let's see if it works. Now let's have a look. I think we're pretty. Oh wow, wow, that's in there, yeah. Nice. Look at this, guys. Just needs to be screwed down now, and then we have a zero clearance plate already. But I need to get the riving knife here as well. So we're gonna do that in a second. We want to have the riving knife installed as well in our zero clearance because I believe it's dangerous to use the table saw without the riving knife. So it's really going nicely through. So now we have that too. Okay, let's have a look again. Okay, I think the issue we're having here is the riving knife here in the back. Does need a little bit more space. Okay, so we just put a little bit of black diamond powder on to the side. So now I know where the different screw holes are gonna go. So I'm gonna just screw down here and try to get all of those in the center. And yeah, fun. And it's in. So, this is how you install a zero clearance blade.